turn to your fucking cereal?
The soundtrack to this level is really good.
It makes me poop, okay?
You know what makes me poop? Shoving my fist up your ass again. I think that would make him poop.
Also him. It's like he's a sympathy pooper.
Hey, you just emptied your ass, but it's okay. I'll be there for you. We're gonna put this back up there. Yeah. We're gonna save it for later.
Let me put that right back for you. Petrie, just like you're like in a toilet stall next to me. Can I get that for you?
Can I? Yeah, I'm gonna shove it back
Did you
up
drop
there.
this?
Did you drop this? Ah!
Get up out of the toilet. This is not staying in.
Yes, it is. You come out of a Star Wars cosplay. It's not the turd you're looking for.
I would kill the person who said that to me if they're like holding my turd in whatever Star Wars cosplay they're dressed in. I would just feel like a legal and moral obligation to just kill them.
Yeah.
Hey, remember that one scene in Alvin and the Chipmunks where Simon ate shit?
Yeah.
It's
sort of like that.
It's almost like the movie's fucking ingrained in my psyche now.
Do you think Dan Schneider wrote that?
Yeah. Dan Schneider was in the recording room.
Oh my god, right.
He had a thing for chipmunks too. Uh-oh. They're really into my nuts.
Oh no. Dan, no.
Dan Schneider. Did you guys know that David Cross was based on Dick Schneider? Yeah.
He was invented.
David Cross got pissed at Dave Seville. You should have left my chipmunks alone, and then he gets the yellow jacket suit.
No.
Yeah. Isn't that his name in Ant-Man? David Cross? No, it's Darren Cross.
Yeah, Darren Cross is the name of the character.
Yeah.
David Cross is the actor on Arrested Development.
Right. He's also on Mr. Show.
Oh yeah.
What the hell is Mr. Show?
It's a TV show.
Is it good? It's just called Mr. Show. Is it funny? No, I don't think David Cross is funny.
He is. Like, he's an acquired taste, but he's funny.
What are you, a David Cross sympathizer, bro?
I've watched Arrested Development, alright? He's really funny.
You know what he did?
He stole the chipmunks.
He had this really more than that. He had this really stupid quote that I see all the time online where he's like, "I don't give a shit about the Bible. It's been translated 5,000 times." As if it's like that hard to find an original translation. Guys,
what?
Did you watch Matt Damon's Elysium? Why? It's on my fucking TV. Yeah.
I've watched it before. It's a really good movie. Why?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't like Matt Damon very much.
Matt Damon.
I don't like being nerd. Yeah. Oh, dude, let's watch Paul Blart tonight.
Let's fucking not.
It's not.
I already know Bleach on our ice instead.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let's have Petrie fucking shove his fist up her butts. That'd be more entertaining.
That was oddly specific.
He started it.
Oh, you got something to say right now?
Do you? You're the sympathy pooper. You're the one who brought up the whole thing.
Sympathy pooper.
Everybody poops but you. Yeah. I never got that book as a kid. So I never
know how to do it. Just never learned.
Well, it just disintegrates in my colon. Petrie takes one shit and he comes back, he's like 118 pounds. Wow, guys. I guess I just didn't need to hit the gym.
Check it out.
There's just all this shit in my body.
Hey, that's how I lost weight. I just pooped more.
You just took a big shit. Diarrhea dump in your ear.
So not funny.
Are you guys allergic to anything?
Walnuts.
Doxycycline.
Women, apparently.
Nothing.
Yeah,
What?
I threw up blood the fourth time I took doxycycline.
I'm allergic to egg whites technically, but I still drink them because they are great for, yeah, I drink egg whites. I have to drink more protein than usual for my, diet. So that's how I do it. Egg whites taste like salty milk. That's it.
There's a different word for that.
That's
Yeah.
Three-letter word.
Yeah. You can't. Come on, Steve. No. You know what it is.
Three-letter word.
Josh.
Salty.
Yeah.
Milk.
Thanks, Alex.
So funny.
laugh. Nick, one of these little dimorphodons flying comes in your window in the middle of the night. What do you do?
They kidnapped Destiny and they said, if you want to see her again, bring me 5 magic coins.
They all say goblin coin.
How the fuck do I puzzle?
You're puzzling me right now, Nick. You're confusing me, as you do.
Oh. Such words I can't remember.
You're so philosophical.
Oh, just Nick, you gotta move that down.
This one?
No, that one. Yeah, you gotta move that down.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how.
Whoa!
Nick, you gotta be good at this game.
You gotta be.
Nick, I can figure out this
I'm
puzzle in
not even
1
gonna use a
second.
frog sensor for that. I'm just gonna use a regular sensor. Whoa!
Is it not funny when I curse, guys?
No, it's funny.
rare.
It's like when my grandma curses. One time I hit my head against her door because I was getting into the car, and my grandma's the sweetest fucking lady ever. God bless her. But she, like, I hit my head against the door, and she's like, "What's wrong?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I hit my head," and she's like, "Oh shit!" I thought that was so funny.
Oh, there you go, Nick. You figured it out.
One time I was
Thanks
like,
for your help, Petrie. You were instrumental in that success.
"You gotta move it down." Oh, I don't know. I don't know how to do it.
Nick is gripping the controller and there's like blood coming out.
No,
He's
Nick's
that fucking
not-
mad.
Nick's
Wake
not-
up.
You guys are
It's
gonna
gonna
wake
be-
up tomorrow and
Thanks,
that
Petrie.
controller is just gonna be hanging. He is a noob.
It's gonna be the Watchmen logo, except it's a GameCube controller with a smiley face.
Burst iron shred on Petrie's stomach.
Who's a comedian now, Petrie?
Everybody laugh.
Curtains.
We really think that.
Possible Petrie sexual.
Must investigate.
What the hell is Petri sexual?
Well, if you want to fuck Petrie.
You want to fuck a Petri dish, that's what it is.
It's when you want to make test tube babies.
Yeah.
That actually kind of tracks.
I don't know. Whoa! Gamer!
Go for it.
You didn't even need Petrie's
Oh.
help for it.
Yeah.
Real gamer hours.
Nick, didn't you know I played this game in 1
Shut up,
hour?
Petrie.
Petrie, shut up!
Alright, so if you guys didn't pick up already, because I'm pretty sure you guys were like
Yelling and screaming and
yelling
shouting
and
and coming.
screaming and shooting and coming, all of those.
You have to guide the
Petrie,
robot.
shut up!
You have to guide the robot.
Every time they hit the wall, they turn a fixed direction.
Petrie?
Nick,
Petrie, shut up!
Jesus Christ.
Nick,
Petrie, if you don't fucking shut up, I will kill you.
Oh my god.
Nick,
In my
Petrie, I swear to God, I swear,
Nick,
Petrie,
touch the
get
robot.
it on my last nerves, Petrie.
Let him cook.
Nick,
Petrie, oh my God, Petrie, gloves are off. Petrie, you're going through that TV. You're going through that window, buddy.
Nick, do you like Bill Murray Garfield too?
It's a loaded question.
Nick, answer that.
Live action Garfield?
Jamie, bring that up.
No, do you like Bill Murray Garfield?
Do you
It's
like?
okay. It's whatever.
I'm glad we spent so much time waiting for Petrie to ask that. It's really worth it.
Sorry, I'm disappointed.
No, Josh was the one who
Josh was
waiting
gonna.
for the wait.
Josh had
He's
a
gonna kill
fucking
him.
cold dagger against my throat. He was threatening to throw me against the TV.
Yeah.
You're getting on my nerves. What can I say? Look, what happened to free speech? I can't tell Petrie I'm gonna kill him. I'm not gonna. I can't tell Petrie I have a bomb in my car.
Checkmate liberals.
In Minecraft.
In my
That one won't work anymore. That guy actually got
Guys,
Oh yeah, that's right.
on Discord.
It's okay. We'll submit everything.
Just blame everything on Petrie. It'll be fine.
Well, no, the FBI will come and's like, do you know Andrew Petrie? Yeah. Okay. Never
Why
mind.
don't you step into this car with us?
Okay, we gotta keep it down a little bit. Landlord's yelling at me with text.
Okay. I'm sorry.
I wonder why.
I blame Josh.
Keep it down downstairs blaring his guitar.
Listen.
Probably. We're gonna send that to me.
I would suggest you find a quieter way to entertain.
Sorry, Petrie, we're still going
Sorry, guys.
taking your
Sorry,
credits.
guys. That was too loud. That's my bad.
Time to blast little people having big fun.
Josh.
Yeah, tell your landlord to get a real job.
No, it's okay. I get it. Look,
That's why I turned down the thing on the OBS.
I get it.
Turned down for what?
I wonder what.
I get it, Big Frog. This is why I am Loud Frog. So would that be my superpower? I'm just loud. I'm just a male black canary.
Josh.
Yeah.
That's the Pokemon you remind me
There's a
of
certain
Loudry.
t-shirt that reminds
I'm
me of.
Explode.
Yeah, you're right.
And explode!
It's loud.
There's a certain t-shirt that would be perfect for you. Autism is my superpower.
Bro, it's recorded.
That's pretty fucking mean, though.
You're one to talk.
Alright, I think I
Takes
said
one to
that.
know one.
Yeah, and friendly fire.
Friendly fire.
None of this can go on YouTube. We're gonna have to put it on BitChute.
Oh, Mo, I got this perfect shirt for you. I got it when I was working at a factory for toilet paper. It just says on it.
I thought you were going in a very different direction than that. I think you were going to say you visited your
No. Why does everything come back to racism with you?
You just keep doing it, man.
You're the one that keeps bringing it up! Anyways, why are you stepping on Pokemon? Oh my gosh, he's dead.
You killed him.
It's all your fault. Oh gosh, you have to go all the way back here.
At least the guys are in their pen now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. On the bright side of that.
That's what I had to get. Oh, get that.
Ajax now, he takes off her dress now.
Why
do you hate that song?
My sister got really mad at me when I like.
I don't hate that song.
No, she got really
No,
mad
I
at me
said
when I
why
was
does
talking.
Nick does. We say
Mr. Brightside?
Mr. Brightside's the cuck national anthem.
Josh.
Is it really?
No,
I mean, it's about a guy
getting
getting
cucked.
cucked.
Yeah.
He's literally saying,
Aaron
my
Yeager's
girl.
favorite song.
No. It's, Mikasa's.
Who?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like Attack on Titan anymore because I saw the ending to that series. I
I hope I don't die much.
Yeah, just
Okay.
spoil the ending.
spoiler alert for Attack on Titan, I guess.
Red letters right
Nobody
here.
cares.
Yeah, nobody cares. It's one of the worst anime or manga endings of all time. So Eren was the guy who was behind the Titans the entire time, even at the beginning. So he killed his own mom. He killed all of humanity, and he did it all because he wanted to fuck Mikasa. And also Mikasa loved him this entire time, which was never shown anywhere in the series. And you can say, oh, she leaned in for a kiss here, and oh, she leaned in for a kiss here, but she specifically asked, what am I to you? Or Eren asked, what am I to you? She's like, family. And then there was another time where he's like, Mikasa, I always fucking hated you. And then they left. Yeah.
Points complete. Let's go.
They never
Almost
like.
got 99.
Eren was supposed to fuck Historia.
1,000 half.
Anyways, I hate that series now because it was terrible.
Ultimate weapon?
Ultimate weapon.
It's like Space
Is that
Colony
Tara
art.
Strong?
Yep.
Probably.
We actually go to space.
Is that Tara Strong?
No, it's a fraud.
Shut up.
You asked.
Ace Joe.
What's the worst manga ending you've ever seen, guys?
Attack on Titan.
I don't read much manga.
Yeah, neither do I.
Gantz, I guess, because that's just a dumb series in general.
You don't like Gantz?
No.
People not like Gantz?
I was kind of like, I wouldn't say it's a bad ending, but I wasn't the biggest fan of the way Kengan Ashura ended.
What is that?
It ended?
Manga.
It's hold on. Let me
this up.
Jamie, pull this up.
You see that?
So the basic premise of Kengan Ashura is it's these super muscly, punchy fight men.
Oh, that's still going.
But they're basically fighting on behalf of corporations
Oh, like
over like this
Like UFC?
kind of, but like they're fighting on behalf of the corporations over like disputes over like who has the rights to what, and it's supposed to be like back in feudal Japan, merchants would backstab each other all the time.
Sure.
And then they eventually asked the emperor, who was a child at the time, you know, what should we do to stop all the bloodshed? And he was like, just settle it in a fair fight, like men.
Yeah.
And they were like, oh, that's so wise. And so they hired men to fight for them. And that's how the whole Kengan Association started. And the current head of the Kengan Association called for a Kengan Annihilation tournament, which is basically
It's kind of
Like-
just getting rid of all of the fighters that were.
no, it's killing while it wasn't technically like not allowed was generally frowned upon,
Okay.
Which it usually is.
which it usually is.
One of those things, you know, you
Yeah,
just slap
it's
on the wrist.
technically. Well, there wasn't even a slap on the wrist. It's just like, oh damn,
Hey, quit doing that.
hey, quit doing that. Stop it. Get some help.
Stop it.
But
Okay.
there are a couple of deaths in the Annihilation tournament.
And you didn't like the deaths, or is that it?
No, the ending was really bittersweet, but it also made sense. Spoiler alert here, I guess. Basically, the main character makes it all the way to the finals and loses and then dies.
Oh.
But he dies from, like, injuries that were sustained.
Oh, so it's like. Well,
Also his-
I was about to spoil a movie that some people haven't seen yet.
It's basically he has this superpower where he can overclock his heart, and it makes him, like, stronger, faster.
Oh, Kaioken?
Kind of like Kaioken.
Harder, better, faster,
Well,
stronger. I
yeah,
get you.
kind of
Yeah,
man or
but,
Mike Guy's thing.
Mike
But
Mike Guys.
he used that in basically every fight in the tournament. So yeah, at the end his heart just gave out. Does it really count as a spoiler if like the manga is like over 5 years old?
No, it doesn't.
Not really. Really?
No, it doesn't. I give 5
I'd say
years.
for a while, yeah, 5 years. That's
That's
kind
the
of
statute
That's
of
kind of on
limitations.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a grace period, but like that runs out.
Yeah.
Yeah, like we're like on chapter 208 in the sequel manga.
Oh wow.
And yeah, you're
Oh,
good.
by the way, when I was at James's place, I actually watched the first 3 episodes of Hunter x Hunter.
Like it?
Yeah, I really liked
Oh,
Hunter x Hunter.
but there is the animated series. That. So yeah, sorry guys if I spoiled that for you.
Okay, well,
It's not very well known.
I'll make a spoiler category.
Yeah.
Hey, do that one.
Pop up.
Stop, Richard. Frogger, there's
Hey,
big
Mo,
yellow
can you
beans.
pass me my beard?
I think you have to get him on those plates.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I didn't see it. All right. All right. Cool.
Swimming around in a vagina. I'm swimming around in a vagina.
What?
Swimming around in a vagina so I can make a princess.
Huh?
You ever hear that song?
No.
It's like a old.
Just, yeah, move that one.
That was a PewDiePie game that he played like a long time ago, like 2010 or something.
It might shut off the lasers, maybe? I don't know.
You
There
have
we
to
go.
play a sperm
That's how we
and
do it.
fertilize the egg.
Is that really a thing?
And it sang the song, yeah.
That sounds really awful.
Swimming around in a vagina. I'm swimming around in a vagina. I'm swimming around in a vagina. I try to make a princess.
Don't.
No, Nick, not that one yet?
There's a reason. There's a
It's a
reason.
Flash game, so
Let him cook.
let him cook.
I don't know. Let's not gonna move that one.
Hey,
what's your favorite Newgrounds game?
Newgrounds Rumble.
Oh, okay. That's a good choice.
Dad and me. I made my account for a couple I can't name.
Oh.
But they should be preserved in a museum, not because they're good, but purely for historical
Don't
purposes.
they have like a Commodore 64 compilation disc for like games? Like these classics.
Like what,
Should have-
Black Attack?
They should have a Flash game compilation that they released for the Switch.
I guess, but they're really not good.
Who cares? It's up there for whatever you want.
But yeah, like Newgrounds, Rumble, and Dad and Me were always my favorite. Oh, and like Madness Combat Nexus, like the first one.
Does Castle Crashers count?
I would say it does,
Kind of?
Yeah.
I guess.
Mine's Castle Crashers. I love
Same
Castle.
here.
Fucking alright, show me up. Alright, okay.
That's supposed to be plot.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
It's okay, nothing matters.
I like Mario Combat. I think that was Newgrounds. Maybe that was Congregate.
That was just a Flash game. I think that was more Congregate.
When you were in school, what were the games that you used to play when you were done with the computer?
There was a really.
I have to start that shit again.
No!
Oh, never mind. The door's open.
Oh, thank God.
When you're a toad, danger lurks around every corner.